Hey Savvy friends, it's Stephanie with Savvy Girl Saves. Happy Freebie Friday. So all of this things, oh my God, all the things will be listed in the description box below, as well as a link to join my email list, which I would love to have you on. So let's get started. How are you doing? How has your week been? What is going on? I am so glad that this week is over. Oh my God, thank you, Jesus, my best friend says. Thank you, Jesus. So I'm nothing. I got nothing. I'm just really glad that the week is over. We get a new manager at work this week. Now I am remote. Where is my little putty stuff? Here we go. I work remote, and I have remote into 2 oral surgery offices with 6 doctors that are in a complete another state from me. So it really doesn't affect me very much, but my partner works in one of the offices, and I do all the insurance money and she does all the patient money. And we work very closely together, and we talk 3 or 4 times a day. We make lots of decisions and discuss about patients' accounts. And because we don't really have a manager, we just have somebody who's kind of acting as such. And I'm really nervous that this new manager is going to come in on Monday and be like, what's happening here? So I don't know. I'm a little nervous about that. I'm not going to let it ruin the weekend. But anyway, let's get going on the freebies. So I got 5, 10, 15, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $40. So enough about me. Tell me about you. How was your week? How was work? Was your coffee the right color if you drink coffee? How is the weather where you are? It's still hot as you know what, and humid as you know what here. It's unbelievable. Do you have plans for the weekend? My husband's working tomorrow, so I have no idea what I'm doing. Probably filming content. I have an Instagram page that's totally separate from this, and I'm really debating whether or not I should share the Instagram page here. But I'm not sharing what I do here on Instagram. I don't know. Instagram's like my whole other business, like my whole other life. You want to see my face, you have to find me there. I like this because it's faceless, but Instagram, I show my face. I talk. I don't know what I'm going to do. But I will be filming content for that this weekend. I'm pushing for a big goal for my business by the end of the month. So anyway, we'll see what happens. Enough about that. Let's get saving. As the Mets announcer says, and now we're underway. So I'm going to roll 2 die. This one's going to tell me which challenge it goes, and this one's going to tell me how many bills. I really like this for Freebie Friday. It just, I don't know. I don't have to really think about it. It's something different. All right. It's hard to pick up the 2 dice, though, which is a little weird. So I have been watching playlists, as y'all know. Weekly Budgets Co. is up right now. And next is, I finished budgeting with Lisa. I finished Kimmy's Corner. I'm going to do an update video on Sunday, because I am definitely for sure going to need to be adding some more. So if you would like to be added to my watch list, please comment your channel down below, say you want to be added, and I will be more than happy to add you to my watch list. I also need hours, so if you want to watch my playlists, that would be fantastic too. But I can't talk and do this. I can't. So 1, 2, and I have one more bill. We're gonna put that right here because I want everybody to get an equal amount of love. All right, let's get my tray, because this has just really been working. And I do have a giveaway set up. All the pieces finally came. I got my new bag from Tracy. So I will share all of that in another video, because I have to get what I'm gonna stuff in that bag. But let's see how we did today. All right, so this one is from Party Planner Papery. It only needed 2 to finish. Where's my bill? Ding, ding, ding. I'm a little louder today because everybody's gone. It's early. It's like 10 o'clock. But my husband... Oh, it needed 3 to finish, and it got 3. My husband's gone. My son already went to work. Everybody's done. All right, and this is going to car maintenance. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And that's what it got. Woohoo! So excited. I have decided I'm going to just immediately stuff the money into the fund. However, I'm not going to put all of this in there. I'm going to... what's the word I'm looking for? I'm going to condense it first, so I can reuse the 5s and singles for other games. But yeah, it's just, I need to get the money in the funds now. So that one's finished. We finished one, and let's get a new one. Let's see. We got some fun. Oh, isn't this cute? Let's do this one. This is from Anna Banana Budgets, and this is a save 20. It's a cute little deal. Oh, maybe it's supposed to be a Christmas in July type of thing. I will allocate that when I go through my funds and see where it needs to go. All right, number 2. Got 3 also. Good thing I put that one in there. All right, this is from Sarah Saves 07, and it got 3. So we got 1, 2, 3. It only needs 2 more to finish. This one is going to the utilities buffer because Lord knows my AC has been running. I'm in a 3-story townhouse condo, and there's a wall unit on each floor. So I have a lot of square footage, but it's tall. So my son has one upstairs. We have one on the 2nd floor, one on the 1st floor, and they're just, oh my God, it's crazy. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So July and August, there is just no relief for the utility bill. There's some relief in September and October, November, but then we have to turn the heat on in December, January. Oh my God, forget it. So that buffer, I always budget like $300 for the utilities for electric, but I always have a little bit of a buffer. All right, so this one got 3. This is from the craft bin. 1, 2, 3, and this is a save 40. This is going to my husband. We all know what he's saving for, don't we, folks? Let's go Mets. All right, let's go back in here. And we have number 4. Oh, that's not right. 3. I don't know, for whatever reason, I get a little nervous sometimes that it stops recording. I don't know. It's never happened. I'm not going to jinx myself. All right, this is Budgeting with Kim. And this one goes to me. Yay. So this only needed 2 to finish, so it's got 6 extra. So we got 1 and 2. Why am I not using my click pens? What is wrong with me? Stephanie. Oh my God, you bought these on purpose for a reason. All right, let's see what we got in here. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Order up. Yep, this is going into my sinking fund. I will condense this to a 20. I'm actually going to the bank today for the week. And what are we going to pick? I should just do right on the top. I got Christmas ones in here. You know what? Because it's Christmas in July. Duh. Let's do this one. It's mine. Savvy Girl Saves. You can find this on my Ko-fi. It is free. I don't know what I'm going to put this towards, but we have $6. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, there we go. And I will, like I said, I'll go back and allocate where these need to go. Yeah, I like the end of the month things. I really do. But on the flip side, I need the money in the funds now. Like, I need the cat's funds to have money. I need these funds to have the money. So it's readily available. All right, this one is from Toria's Budgets. And this is brand new. This is going to car maintenance. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you know what? Everything's orange, so that's not going to jive. Let's do green just so it like sticks out. And we're gonna make the burgers $5. Let's go big for this one. But we got 4, so we're gonna color a 3 and a 1. All right, that's gonna go to car. I have some new box challenges because I watched Dying Outlaw Games and Budgets playlist. Oh my God, and I became a member. Because I wanted her box challenges that weren't free. She's got so many, and I just started, so I have to cut them, and I'm going to laminate the front so I can use them again, but she's the one that has the 1 month ahead binder, or home sweet home one, so I'm using that as a 1 month ahead. She's got a medical one, pets, books, coffee shop, date, oh my God. So I printed them all out, and I'm going to use the medical one for like healthcare. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So I'm going to put less money in my Freebie Fridays and my Mini Mondays so I can fund those boxes. Because like medical needs a lot, and I'm not hurry up in a rush. So if I play the box challenge, then if I play the box, it'll, save a lot of money, make it fun. So anyway, you're going to be seeing those soon. I think I'm going to film them this weekend. But I have like 3 or 4. So I don't know if I should do like 2 and 2 or do all 4 in one video. She does like 4 in a video, and it's like 40 minutes long. So let me know what you think. Maybe I'll mix it in with some of the other ones. I don't know. All right, this one is from Penny Pincher Budgets, and she's got monthlies. This is going to healthcare, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. This one got all the all the spicy 5s. So we got first is 12. Oh, so this is done. I'll fast forward. Okay, friends, so this will have $16 to finish. 5, 10, 15, 16. Ring a ding ding, order up. This is another one that, oh no, I could condense it to a 10. All right, this is gonna go here and here. See now, so I think I'm gonna put this, condense it, put it in the fund, and then just hold on to these and maybe count it up at the end of the month to see how much we've saved. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is what we've got left. So let's pick another one. Let's just go right here. This is Reynolds Budgets. This is also free on her Ko-fi. It's a beautiful reindeer in a snow globe with a palm tree. That's so cute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I will also allocate this one on a different day to see like what I need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there we go. Where we need it to go. All right, friends. That was a fast and furious freebie Friday. Whew, try to say that 3 times fast. Holy moly. All right, so I will allocate the other challenges where they need to be. And let's see, we got here 1, 2, 3 challenges finished. So let's just, 3 challenges finished. This is my new order up bag. So what I have decided to do is, okay, so this is what I'm doing. This is the ding, ding, ding money to fund the ding, ding, ding finish challenges. So those are going to get clipped. So this is the ding, ding, ding finished challenge money. And then these are challenges that I finished that I've already allocated where they need to go. So this is going to be my new system. So we finished 3. So we're going to take $3 out of here. 1, 2, 3. This is like rollover grocery money that we don't use. And then I'm gonna put them in here. No, you know what? I'm not gonna clip it because there's no loose cash in here. So there's your there's your ding, 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 and this, and then I will condense these and add it to the bag. Oh my God! The giveaway is gonna be one of these, and it's gonna be stuffed with some stuff. Tracy gave me a bunch of freebies in my order when I ordered these. Oh my God, she just blows my mind. She blows my mind. She's like one of the sweetest people ever. Anyway, thanks for stopping by and spending some of your time with me. I really appreciate it. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, friends.